Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to delete Facebook account on phone. So guys, if you're using Android phone, that this video will help you to delete your Facebook account. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I am on my Android phone. So let me open my Facebook application. So if you're using Facebook application, you can delete from here. So just open your Facebook application. Now go to the three-line option, and now just scroll down and click setting and privacy. Again setting, and here you can see lots of options. Just find out the personal account information. You have to click on personal and account information, click on it. Now you will see the option, your details like your name, your contact info, identity confirmation, and here you can see last option, which is account ownership and control. Just tap on it. Now you will see two options: memorization settings and deactivation delete. So guys, in order to delete your Facebook account, so just click on this option, second option. Now here you can see this is a temporary deactivation. When you click on it and when you continue it, so it will be temporary deactivation. And you can anytime log in again and activate it. Okay, your account will be disabled and your name and photo will be removed from the most thing share. You will be able to continue using messenger. Okay, so this is a deactivation account, temporary. You can activate it, relogin, but if you want to delete your account permanently, just tap on second option and click on continue deletion. Here you have to need to enter your current password. So yeah, it is opening now. So guys, here you have to enter your current password. Then you have to select the reason why you want to delete, and just you can delete. So after within 2 weeks your account will be deleted. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.